Ever wish you could remove a full face of makeup in seconds without irritating your skin? Meet the Cetaphil Gentle Makeup Removing Wipes, the ultimate quick clean solution for sensitive skin. Infused with aloe vera, chamomile, and green tea, these wipes melt away dirt, oil, and even waterproof makeup, leaving your skin soft and refreshed. They're alcohol-free, fragrance-free, and dermatologist-tested. Perfect for late nights, busy mornings, or travel days when you just can't do a full skincare routine. Over 8,000 users on Amazon love how gentle yet powerful they are. Pros and cons. Pros: super gentle, removes makeup easily, travel friendly. Cons: might need 2 wipes for heavy waterproof looks and can dry out if left open too long. Want to try it yourself? Grab your pack of Cetaphil Gentle Makeup Removing Wipes through the link in the description and give your skin the clean, calm care it deserves.